Bluing, laundry blue, dolly blue or washing blue is a household product used to improve the appearance of textiles, especially white fabrics. Used during laundering, it adds a trace of blue dye to the fabric. White fabrics acquire a slight color cast after use. Since blue and yellow are complementary colors in the subtractive color model of color perception, adding a trace of blue color to the slightly off-white color of these fabrics makes them appear whiter. Laundry detergents may also use fluorescing agents to similar effect. Many white fabrics are blued during manufacturing. Bluing is not permanent and rinses out over time, leaving dingy or yellowed whites. A commercial bluing product allows the consumer to add the bluing back into the fabric to restore whiteness. On the same principle, bluing is sometimes used by white-haired people in a blue rinse. Bluing has other miscellaneous household uses, including as an ingredient in rock crystal gardens and to improve the appearance of swimming pool water. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.